Kompa zouk afrobeat. Kompa zouk afrobeat. Kompa zouk afrobeat. Kompa zouk. This shit hurts. I'm out here planning our future while she's planning her exit, crying myself to sleep. It's not the first time. I've already bought the ring, had to resize it for her to drop the news right after midnight. The ball drop, New Year starting with a bang. Can't talk because everyone once told me so, filled with pain and questions. Where did things went wrong? Her mother warned me, but I was young, dumb, and in love. Fast forward to the present and I'm still in pain, trying to move on, but the memories remain. I thought we had forever, but forever's come and gone, and I'm left here singing this sad, sad song. Oh, this shit hurts like a knife to the heart. I'm trying to heal, but it's tearing me apart. I thought our love was real, but I guess I was wrong. Now I'm just trying to move on. I see her smiling face in my mind every day, wondering what could have been if she had stayed. But I know I deserve better than someone who don't care, so I'll keep on moving forward and leave the past there. Oh, this shit hurts like a knife to the heart. I'm trying to heal, but it's tearing me apart. I thought our love was real, but I guess I was wrong. Now I'm just trying to move on. I'll rise up from these ashes like a phoenix born. I'll find my way again and I'll learn to love once more. Ooh, but for now I'll just strum this guitar and sing, trying to heal this broken heart and make it whole again. Kompa zouk afrobeat. Kompa zouk afrobeat.